So as you guys can see, I start already. So we're gonna paint the brake calipers for the truck. Alright boys, before we start today's video, I want to take a minute to explain one thing. If you notice on my Instagram and my YouTube channel, I just changed the name. And the thing is really simple. It's really simple. Why? When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't put any thoughts, anything. I just created. I was there and I started to upload videos. My YouTube channel name was Matt.1003, which the name is Matt, and it's okay, but the number has it's something meaningful for me. But what happened the last 2 or 3 months, I started thinking about it because I was getting a lot of, when I started following somebody on Instagram, they thought it was a fake account because of the numbers. And even on YouTube, people don't relate to cars and the fact that it has numbers. They think it's kind of a fake account. I did a lot of research on it. I was like, you know, having numbers on my name is not a good idea, and I don't want people to think that I'm a fake account, because I'm not. So that's the reason why I'm changing without spending too much time on it. I just, you know, I want to have a simple name that describes what I do, and that's basically it. That's why we came up with Maddie's Garage. Maddie is because some of my friends, they call Maddie, but you still can call Matt. It's the main thing, you know, people call me Matt, and I think those things are related. But anyway, Matt's Garage was, somebody already took it. So Maddie's Garage it is. I hope you guys like it. So if you saw the change on Instagram, on YouTube, that's why. And I don't want people or either don't follow me or don't get my message because they think it's a fake account. So that's why. The content didn't change at all. It's still me doing my stuff in my garage with my car. I didn't change anything. I'm same guy, same content. I just want to explain to you guys why I changed the name. But let's move on. That's a brief explanation why. You guys are gonna love today's video, and I hope that's very helpful for you as always. Let's get on it. Well, we're not gonna talk about the Corvette now because today's a truck kind of day. It's a truck kind of day. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. Thanks so much for watching. I just want to say thank you so much for the support on the Corvette. The Corvette's right now sitting in the garage. I have some plans for it. I want to get something done for the truck for a long time, which is the brake caliper. So little explanation, and just to make sure you guys understand what I'm doing here. Safety first, always. So what happened, I'm having a really hard time to find a jack to use on my truck after putting the lift kit. So what I'm gonna use today, it's the brake caliper paint system set. So what I wanna do, I just wanna change a little bit, because as you guys can see here, when you look at the truck, you can barely see the brake caliper. Well, we're gonna change that today. But as I said, I was having a really hard time to find a jack. This jack doesn't work with my truck, and I know I need to buy a jack, and don't blame me for it. But the one I got, it's for 3 tons, and it's not enough. I have to use those pieces of wood, so it's safe. It's really safe. I'm gonna do one by one, taking my time with it. I will show you guys many time lapses as possible because it's gonna take too long, but I just want to make sure you guys it's safe. That's why when I start the video, you guys know that I already start taking the wheels off and so on and so forth, because I want to make sure it's safe, and I don't want to buy another jacket right now because I mean I'm spending too much money in the last 4 weeks. But regardless, so the wheels are off, as you guys can see here, the caps are off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare the brake caliper and we're gonna paint. I don't know if you can guess the color, but it should be really obvious which color it is, right? Let's prepare this. I think it's very straightforward how this works. I think first of all we need to clean the caliper, and we're gonna see. So far what we have some thing to remove grease and oil, brakes fluid, all the kind of good stuff. We should be good to go and clean with this, and that's the paint itself, brake caliper paint system. And you have to mix this part here in here, and they even send you the brush and the thing to mix. So it's a very complex kit. I think we need to have 2 coats, should be enough. So let's do it. I'm gonna use like a toothbrush, just to make sure it's really clean. Once it's clean, I think the only thing we need to do is mix this thing with this thing, and then we should be good to go. Okay, just to be extra careful, I cover the entire things. You don't need to, but I'm doing it. Let's start applying. Here's after the first coat. I just want to show you guys. I think because it's white, you definitely need to coat. If it was red or blue, I don't know, maybe you don't, but I'll definitely apply 2 coats. I wait like 15 minutes between coats. That's what the instructions say, and I think it should be enough. So let's apply the second coat. Okay, the second coat, it's on. And honestly, it's good. I mean, I don't think we need more. I hope the camera will adjust how it looks like. Unfortunately, because my jack situation, I have to do one, put the wheels back, lift the front, do one, wait, so on and so forth. So you guys kind of know how it is. Now, everything I'm gonna do, I'll probably put in a time lapse, and then we're gonna see the final result. So I will put this wheel back on before I start doing all this stuff, so you guys gonna see the final result here, and then I will show you the entire truck how it is. So but so far I think it looks good. That's how it's gonna look from a long distance. Never put a 20s by 12 in your truck, because dude, that thing is heavy. There you have. What do you guys think? The light sucks, but you cannot see as much with this wheel, but still, you can see that there's something different right there, and that's what I like. That's what I like. So I'm gonna do the other ones, and then we'll see. Never put big tires in your truck. Never. Today is the following day, morning. I finished yesterday, as you guys saw, but I finished it like 8:30. But I just want to show you guys how is it. I don't think the camera is gonna adjust, but and forget that my wheels are so filthy right now. But look at that. What do you guys think? I love it. I really love it. And you know what is funny? I probably said that yesterday, but I don't know how much I explained, and now it's like it's a better day. It was so hard to use a jack when with the 6-inch lift. Let me know what you guys use as far as jack goes for your lifted truck. Has to be like at least 5.5 inches though, so I can compare and I can have idea. I have to use some pieces of wood, and again, I said that on the beginning of my video. Safety first. I'm using this and a couple of 2x4s. So, and then my jack, which is here, my jack, it's good for 3 tons, so should be more than enough for the whatever the Colorado waves. And the reason why I got this one, it's because I mean it works like a stand as well. It's not a stand, but for what I'm using, it's worth it. Besides the jack, which of course you're gonna need one, you're also gonna need the brake caliper paint system. As you guys can see here, there's a bunch of colors. I went with white because I think it's the best thing for my truck since it's white, but you can, I will leave the link in the description below if you want to buy yours. Just make sure you pick your color. As you guys can see here, they have many colors. Mine is white. If you were wondering which color I have, mine is white. So the other thing I got myself was 4-piece impact flip socket kit. which, you know, if you do a lot of lug nut stuff, that should be good for you as well. And it comes with extension. As you guys can see, you can get that at Home Depot, whatever. I got mine from Amazon, but you can get probably Home Depot. I'll leave on the description below everything, so in case you need. I think the most thing you're probably gonna need is the paint, because if you have a jack and you have the socket kit or any lug nuts kit, you should be good to go. But everything is on the link in the description below, and that's it. Yeah, boys, she is done. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Overall, was really easy. I would say just the fact it's high and I have like trouble with my jack. I just want to show you guys the details if you want to do with yours. That's how it looks like. The paint is really good. I'll tell you, it's really good. Of course, the front shows a little bit more, but if you have like wheels with like bigger holes here, you're probably gonna see better than mine. But overall, I love it, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, if I did, you definitely can do. So yeah, that's it for today's, boys. I just want to give you guys an update on the VAT. People ask me what I'm gonna do. I have a bunch of stuff to do, but we're gonna kind of, you know, I need to figure out time and how to do it. I'll fix the bumper first thing. A lot of people ask me about the brake calipers cover, which is such a fake thing. Yeah, I'm gonna remove those, and I have a bunch of things to do. If you look here, I'm gonna change the sound system because it's kind of old school. You see here, things are falling apart. I probably fixed this like many times, but doesn't stay. I would change the entire console. So I have a bunch of stuff to do. I just need to figure out time and money for, but it's just gonna give you guys an update on the VAT. So good, I have been driving like every Friday, when it's nice outside. Yeah, boys, that's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. All the links for the paint and everything else, it's on the description below. If you need if you have any questions, follow me on Instagram, which now it's a different Instagram, as I explained at the beginning of this video. Oh, before we go, I'm probably going to some event. I'll let you guys know. So just make sure you follow me on Instagram, so maybe you can check it out, the truck. We can hang out a little bit. That's what I like. I like to make friends. And if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram so we can kind of communicate. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see, leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.